Swami Sukabodhanandji, he is the most sought after speaker in the corporate world. Swamiji is the author of 119 books in many languages. Swamiji was invited by Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji to counsel and guide bank CEOs, chairmen and IAS officers. Also was invited to the prestigious World Economic Forum in Switzerland twice. And was the second Indian invited to the prestigious Lotus Millennium Club in New York. Swamiji is sometimes psychological coach for cricket teams, also a yoga practitioner and black belt in martial arts. Here's not the end. Swamiji's online courses and live sessions are a great source of energy and help transform thousands of lives. Let's have a look for more information about Swamiji.
Sukabodhananda is a renowned spiritual leader from India. He is a highly erudite motivational speaker, Vedhantic scholar, and spiritual scientist. In addition to being the most renowned spiritual figure in the nation, Swamiji is also known by the nickname Corporate Guru. His area of expertise is the fusion of Eastern knowledge with Western modernity, which attracts to young people from all over the world. Swamiji has authored 119 books in many languages, which have sold more than 1 million copies and transformed many lives. Swamiji's spirituality-based education programs have been rated excellent and have benefited many sectors of many reputed institutions. And other sectors like banking, finance, armed forces, police were also benefited from his teachings. Swamiji has also been a psychological coach for an IPL cricket team and also Olympic players. Their poll on who talks the best places him as #1 as the best speaker. Swamiji was invited by Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji to counsel and guide bank CEOs and chairmen and IAS officers at Gyan Sangam. It was a great success and he was invited again as a keynote speaker at Gyan Sangam too. Swamiji was invited as a dignitary to 5 different panels at the World Economic Forum and he was a special invitee to the United Nations World Summit of Spiritual Leaders. Swamiji was the second Indian invited to the prestigious Lotus Millennium Intellectual Club in New York. Swamiji has won a number of prestigious awards, including the Rotary Seva Ratna and the Rotary International Conferred Personal Excellence Award for his positive influence on numerous lives. He also received the Karnataka's Best Social Service Award from SL Group and Z Network, which recognizes lifelong service to humanity. Swamiji's Annadhanam scheme has served more than 7.3 million people, and we are serving 25 rural schools, government hospitals, and slum areas in Bangalore. Join us in supporting the Prasanna Trust and their mission to end hunger and bring hope to those in need. Together, we can make a difference.
Dr. Rajendra Dhruval sir, founder, trustee of Asha Hospital and Asharam College of Nursing, and Mr. Ankita Dhruval sir, trustee of Asharam College of Nursing, to please welcome Swami Sukabodhanandji with presenting welcome. Please come on the dais and welcome Ms. Shakila Ma'am, the CEO of Prasanna Trust, Bangalore. And today, we are blessed to have a very special guest who will lead us on this journey towards deeper understanding and spiritual awakening. So, without taking more time, let us welcome Swami Sukhabodhanand Ji with open hearts and minds, who will take us on this spiritual journey of insight and awakening. Please, I request Swamiji to please come on dais and take the seat.
Namaste. Good afternoon. I can't hear you. Good afternoon. Thank you, Dr. Rajan Agrawal, inviting me. And let me start off by saying, why do we say good afternoon? Anybody? Why do you say good afternoon? You know, if you have studied anthropology, you will find when one shakes hand. Please shake hand with the person next to you. Shake hand, come on, don't be shy. Shake hand next to each other. What is the psychology of a shake hand? Listen. One warrior is meeting another warrior and says, I'm not going to attack you, I'm going to extend friendship. And that's how the anthropology of a shake hand. Right? Now, what is the psychology of a good afternoon, good morning, or good night? Right? Now, all of you, this afternoon is good or not? I can't hear you. Nice biryani you ate. And I got nice Marwadi food. So when Madhya Pradesh is full, Uttar Pradesh will not work. Right? Now, the jokes apart. Right? This afternoon is good or not? When your afternoon is good, recognize it, validate it, because the afternoon is good. One of the sickness of living is we don't recognize what is. We don't validate what is. You have a good teacher, you don't recognize it. Good husband, don't recognize it. Good girlfriend, you don't recognize it. Then your neighbor will recognize it. So therefore, first, anything that is good, recognize this. This afternoon is good or not? Recognize it. And if the afternoon is not good, let us make it good. That's the psychology of good afternoon. If my talk is not good, let us make it good. Clear? Now, when you say namaste, all of you, namaste. Namaste. Now, what is the psychology of a namaste? You are very different from me. I come from Bangalore. And you are from Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, whatever it is. You and I are different. I speak Telugu, you speak Marathi or Marwadi. We both are different. Your nose is different, my nose is different. Your eyes is different, my eyes. Even though different, in the space of love and bhakti, you and I are one. And it is this oneness we should attempt to see. Correct? Can you meaningfully? With meaningfully now, good afternoon. Are dummy? Good afternoon. Namaste. Let us start the session. 1 hour is given to me. I have to catch a flight to Bangalore. And just so listen. Now, if you listen in this 45 minutes to 1 hour, even a little, your life should change. Are you willing? Yes. Lord Krishna, the Gita says, Swalpamapi asya dharmasya trayate mahato baya. Krishna Bhagavan says, even thoda bhi swalpam आप ग्रहण करेंगे, आपका जीवन एकदम बदलाव और परिवर्तन हो जाता है. So are you willing to get a little? सोच को बदलो, सितारे बदल जाएंगे. नजर को बदलो, नजारे बदल जाएंगे. कश्तियां बदलने का जरूरत नहीं, दिशाओं को बदलो, किनारे बदल जाए. Are you all willing? Yes? Now little, even a little can change. No, Walt Disney, all of you know Walt Disney? He was an unsuccessful cartoonist. Many years failure. In the church of a garage, he saw a rat going up and down. Chua was going up and down. Suddenly he thought, why can't I make a rat talk? And then he created what? Mickey Mouse. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry. Disneyland, Disney World. If you're born there, he just made a rat talk and Mickey Mouse. So therefore, this 50 minutes now, even a little, your life should change. Are you willing?
Yes.
Don't say, Swamiji, my life will never change, Swamiji. My Shani is in the 4th house. Are you all willing?
Yes.
I want thoda dum.
Yes.
Now listen to me. Listen very carefully to me. A man rushes to the 15th floor. Itna tension, itna tanav se, bhaag, daud kar with the 15th floor and say, Sharma, your daughter bhag gayi. Your daughter ran away. And the moment this man hears, my daughter chale gaya, so he is a Brahmana, Shuddha Brahmana, my daughter ran away, man chale gaya, he jumps from the 15th floor to commit suicide. He jumps. And as his body was coming to the 10th floor, he realizes he is not married only. Or a shadi nahi hua, how can the daughter run away? Then as his body was coming to the 8th floor, he realizes, please see, he realizes he has not got a daughter. Without getting married also you can have a daughter, no? Don't look at me so innocently. देखो rule नहीं है, शादी होगा बेटी आएगा. Many people you are saying without getting married they have a daughter. He says I have not got a daughter. And as his body was coming to the 3rd floor, he realizes his name is not Sharma, is Varma. उसका नाम शर्मा नहीं वर्मा था. Listen to me. Sharma, your daughter ran away. Immediately he jumps. Tension से. He jumps. Jumping, कूदना एक क्रियापद है. It's a verb. Yes or no, sir? Yes. Jumping is a verb. But he is not even Sharma, he is Varma. His jumping is because of what? Jumping is because of not a response, was a reaction. Kriya nahi tha, wo pratikriya tha. It is a reaction. If your action is a reaction, jumping in Shabda Kosh mein, it is Kriyapad. But Adhyatmik Drishtakon mein, it is not a Kriya, it is Pratikriya. And if there is Pratikriya, reaction, please understand, right, it is tension. So Sharma, your daughter ran away, he did not act. Shabda Kosh mein acting hai. But Adhyatmik Drishtikon se, wo reaction hai. All of you clear? Yes. So first thing in creative living, are you acting, are you reacting? Aapka whatever be, right, should not be reaction, it should be action. Therefore Krishna Bhagavan says in the Gita, Karmanyevadhikaraste ma paleshu kadachana. Always learn to act. Suddenly you'll get a job, you will be fired from the job. वो फायरिंग हो जाता है, don't reaction नहीं, वो action होना चाहिए. In Lucknow is giving a talk. Now Swami Ramdev came to my ashram and then said, Swamiji, don't only speak in English, you speak in Hindi, blah blah blah. I'll not get into that story because it's only 45 minutes I have got now. So I was Lucknow giving a talk and somebody came to me and said, Swamiji, बहुत tension है Swamiji, बहुत खराब है, बहुत निराशा, बहुत दर्द है. I said, why? Because he told me, real example in Lucknow, he said, I fell in love. Swamiji, I fell in love, itna tension. I told him, who told you to fall in love? ये प्यार गिरने का चीज नहीं बाबा, उठने का चीज है. उठ जा तो मुसाफिर है. किस तरह समझे? I fell in love. I said, why should you fall in love? You should rise in love. He said, मजाक छोड़ दो स्वामी जी, भाई इतना दर्द है. इश्क नाजुक मिजाज है, बेहद अकल का बोझ उठा नहीं सकता. Lucknow people without shairi they don't understand. In South India, if you don't pay a sloka, they don't understand. I don't know how Maharashtra is. So he said, इतना दर्द है स्वामी जी. I told him, अरे दर्द को दर्द से मत देखो, दर्द को भी दर्द होता है. दर्द का जरूरत है दोस्त तभी दर्द हमदर्द हो जाता है. So don't treat pain as pain. When pain goes to pain, treat pain as a comrade, and then you will find it will be there. Swamiji again, Masak Sojo Swamiji. Still the fellow is not accepting. Then I asked him the question, how many years you had a love affair? 5 years Swamiji I had love affair. How was the love affair? और इतना लुफ्त था, इतना मजा था, इतना आनंद था. Then after she got married to New Jersey. इतना आनंद था 5 years. I said, इतना lucky person है. Look at Swami Sukabodhananda, 69 years, no affair, 0. And you have one affair, इतना lucky बात है. Sir, we do not know how to count our blessings. All our life has been reaction, 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 upset, upset. And when upset, everything becomes tension. And that's what happened to Arjuna before the battlefield. Instead of a noble war, he became Sidanti Mama Gatrani, Mukam Cha Parishashiti, Veputu Sharire me, Roma Harshaha Jayate, Gandhivam Samsate Asta. He says everything is shaking. He became Sheikh Abdullah. Everything is shaking. And why? Because he says, Khatam Bhishmaham Sanke, Dronam Cha Madhusudana, Ishubi Pratiyotsyami, Puja Har Varisudana. How do you expect me to fight? Bhishma and Drona, they are Puja Havarisudana, and therefore he was justifying his reaction. Itna justification dekho. Katam Bhishma ham sanke. How do you find Bhishma and Drona? And Lord Krishna says, you are talking words of wisdom, you are not living wisdom. Ashocha Anvashochastvam Prajna Vadamscha Bhashase. You are only talking words of wisdom. You are a Kshatriya, and what is your dharma you should do, and do it with love. Isn't it, friends? Right? And therefore, one in creative living, one of the biggest problems Bhagavad Gita says, 3 words you understand. If you understand 3 words, you have understood the whole Gita. A simple nutshell. 3 शब्द समझना है. एक है, repeat after me, परिस्थिति. Second, मनोस्थिति. Third is आत्मस्थिति. Throughout the world I have taken workshops. Alright? And if you see what is the आपका formula क्या है to be happy? Everybody says, Swamiji, परिस्थिति अनुकूल हो, I'll be happy. परिस्थिति प्रतिकूल हो, I'll be unhappy. Isn't it? Throughout the world, it does not belong, it doesn't matter कौन सा धर्म है आप. परिस्थिति अनुकूल होना चाहिए आनंद के लिए. परिस्थिति प्रतिकूल हो, I will be unhappy. So Arjuna said, my परिस्थिति was अनुकूल नहीं प्रतिकूल, because Bhishma, Drona, इसका सामने युद्ध करना है. And that Lucknow person says, Swamiji, परिस्थिति इतना horrible है, my girlfriend left me and gone. Sir, गीता का उपदेश क्या भी परिस्थिति हो, आपको मनोस्थिति सकारात्मक हो जाएगा. Whatever परिस्थिति, nothing can happen. So first formula you have to change, irrespective of the situation. My mind should be proactive. Only then you can experience alacrity, if you have the sagacity to think positively. Whatever will the परिस्थिति. Are you willing? It is like a person says, very unhappy. He says, poem writes, तकदीर है मगर किस्मत नहीं खुलती. ताजमहल बनाना चाहता हूँ मगर मुमताज नहीं मिलती. And unhappy है. Because परिस्थिति मुमताज नहीं मिल गया. ताजमहल बनाना चाहता हूँ. God says, तथास्तु. Alright, meets मुमताज. मुमताज का मुलाकात हो गई. He must be happy or not? Because परिस्थिति is अनुकूल. But again he is writing a poem. तकदीर है मगर किस्मत नहीं खुलती. मुमताज मिल गई है मगर शादी नहीं करती. Again unhappy. Then the Lord says, Tathastu, gets married to Mumtaz. So no परिस्थिति अनुकूल or प्रतिकूल. He must be happy, no? Again he writes the poem. तकदीर है मगर किस्मत नहीं खुलती, महल बनाना चाहता हूं मगर मुमताज नहीं मरती। देखो कितना भी परिस्थिति अनुकूल हो, आपका मन इतना दरिद्र है, you will be always unhappy, unhappy, unhappy. So Krishna Bhagavan says in the Gita, whatever be the paristhiti, Thomas Alva Edison, all of you know, who created the bulb, 900 odd times he failed in creating a bulb. 900 odd times he failed when he created the bulb. And a journalist asked him, must be very unhappy. इतना नजदीक नजदीक 1000 बार हार गया. He said, no, 900 times odd I learned how not to create a bulb. So क्या भी परिस्थिति हो, आपका मनोस्थिति सकारात्मक होना चाहिए. Is it clear? Please understand, you are all going to become graduates. Go there. Don't think परिस्थिति is going to be roses. In America, one of my programs got cancelled. And then Shakila, our CEO there, who is a trustee there, she took me to Hawaii. A program cancel हो गया कोई कारण से. Hawaii we went. When Hawaii गया तो Hawaii is a beautiful place. The waves were coming. When the waves were coming, I was running back. And the local Hawaiian लोग है ना, they were rays are coming. They take the surf and go towards the waves and have fun with the waves. I don't know surfing, so wind comes, I go back. And those local Hawaiian, they take the surf, have fun with the waves. In the waves, they fall down. They get up, they have fun because they know how to romance with the waves. Are you getting, sir? You and I should romance with our problems. You should have fun with our problems. And therefore a beautiful poet said, मैंने समुद्र से सीखा जीने का सलीका. मैंने समुद्र से सीखा जीने का सलीका. चुपचाप बहना है, अपनी मौज से रहना है. Problems are going to come, sir. You have to learn to be happy and positive with the problems. See, Lord Shiva, whose life has no problems? Tell me. Please listen, focus. Don't bother who's coming late. Please focus. Who doesn't have a problem? Look at Lord Shiva's life. Lord Shiva's life. Lord Shiva's life. His wife is Parvati. Alright, his son was who? Ganesha. Alright, Kartikeyan. Alright, now the son Kartikeyan, Muruga, was waiting to snatch Shiva's snake. Peacock is against the snake, no? See, even Lord Shiva's problem, interdepartmental problem है देखो. Alright, Kartikeyan's Vahana is who? Mayur, no? He's waiting to snatch the snake. Alright, now Ganesha's Vahana is what? Rat. Now the snake is waiting to eat the rat. Parvati's Vahana is what? Tiger. And Shiva's Vahana is Nandi. The tiger is waiting to eat Nandi. In Lord Shiva's problem, family, इतना interdepartmental problem देखो. इसका बावजूद भी on Lord Shiva's head, what is there? Ganga was flowing. Jnana Nadi, because his mind had Chandra, means he had a calm mind. जब calm mind हो, और Ganga is flowing, irrespective of the samasya, you can be happy. Are you getting, friends? And therefore Lord Krishna says, for me as a part of creative being, he says, for everything, please see Adbhuta Rasa, Adbhuta Rasa, Adbhuta Rasa. Ascharyavat vadati, Ascharyavat pashyati, Ascharyavat shrunoti. Everything we should see Ascharya, Ascharya, Ascharya. Then Ananda will uta sakta hai. Rabindranath Tagore simply saw a dewdrop on a lotus leaf. Poetry came out. And Mr. Kuppaswamy sees Niagara Falls and dysentery comes out. Where Rajasthan में पानी ही नहीं है. Rabindranath Tagore simply sees a dewdrop. Sir, let Adbhuta Rasa. Can there be Adbhuta? Adbhuta means what? Wonderment. One of my students in Gujarat practiced Adbhuta Rasa. And you know, and he was saying, Swamiji, too much of problem, Swamiji. I'm a businessman, I come home, my wife starts nagging. Alright, I itna gussa se, threw the cup and saucer, the TV broke. So Swamiji, ek mantra de do mujhko. So I told him, देखो, balance करो, work and patni ko balance करो. I taught him balancing. In case you're a businessman, you come home late, in the neighbor's garden, pick up a flower and give to her and praise your wife. And in case she complains about you, simply enjoy the wife's nagging. Anand le. Lot of Gujaratis, very devotion people. Okay, you touch the feet, went, and next day he came, Swamiji, aapka mantra work hota hai Swami. I said, how did it work? I came home, my wife started nagging, my blood pressure went up. Then I folded my hands and said, let me enjoy the nagging. Let me experience Adbhuta Rasa. Then he said, for the first time, Swamiji, I realized my wife is 7th standard fail. इसका communication skill, nagging skills इतना जबरदस्त है. In our nagging, there is pace, pause, pitch, punctuation, voice modulation, open statement, close statement, funnel technique, multiple closes, disarming technique, and preemptive style. All communication skill. Kitna, and then I write, my God, how beautifully, and with Adbhuta Rasa I saw my wife is nagging me because she loves me. I didn't have any logic. I simply went, hugged her, and said sorry. The problem was not solved. The problem got dissolved. After 8 days I went, 8 years I went, Patel Saab to Baroda, Sukha Barche. He said, Maja mein che. How is the relationship going on? My wife nagging continues. My enjoyment continues. Sir, your problems will never be solved. I promise you, it will never be solved. Like samudra mein ek lehar aayega, uska aanand uthao. Dusra lehar aayega, aanand uthao. Everywhere, everybody is going to have problem. See, Adbhut Ras, Adbhut Ras, Adbhut Ras. And then you will find when Lord Krishna says, if you experience Adbhut Ras, you will be a master of the problem, not a victim to the problem. Are you getting this? You are a rich person, you have problem. Poor person, you have got problem. Matra sparshas kaunteya shitoshna sukha agama payo anityaha tantritikshvasko bharata. Krishna Bhagavan says, so long you are living, problems are going to come. Enjoy the problem, see Adbhuta Rasa, and आपका भीतर एक third eye खुल जाता है how to face the problem. एक problem गया, you will get another problem. एक problem गया, दूसरा. When you have that Adbhuta, you will find life is beautiful. What are you saying? Don't get distracted with somebody. Kid playing. Just be focused. If this is your goal, you are a very creative person. A beautiful poet said, ख्वाहिश ऐसी करो कि आसमान तक जा सको. ख्वाहिश कि आसमान तक जा सको, मगर दुआ ऐसी करो कि खुदा को पा सको. यूं तो जीने के लिए फल बहुत कम है. यूं तो जीने के लिए फल बहुत कम है. जीवो ऐसा हर फल जिंदगी पा सको. क्योंकि हर फल में प्यार है, हर लम्बे में पूछिए, खो दो तो याद है, जी लो तो जिंदगी है. And if you have Adbhuta Rasa, alright, and say every problem is भगवान का तोहफा है, भगवान का प्रसाद है. शायद भगवान हमको आमंत्रण कर रहा है, सृजनात्मक गुण से उसको सामने करो. Creative गुण से you face it. Maybe भगवान is giving me an invitation. Then your third eye is going to open, sir. And like Shiva, keep your mind calm, half Chandra, and let your Jnana Ganga flow. You will find, sir. And that's why a poet said, who lived spirituality, he said, अरे जिंदगी में कोई पूछेंगे या खोया है या और क्या पाया. किसी को पूछेंगे आपको जिंदगी में क्या खोया है और क्या, बेशक कहना जो कुछ खोया है वे मेरी नादानी थी. और जो कुछ पाया है रब की मेहरबानी। जो नहीं है उसको गम नहीं है, जो नहीं है उसको गम नहीं है, जो है किसी से कम नहीं है। इसलिए खूबसूरत रिश्ता है और मेरा और खुदा के बीच, खूबसूरत रिश्ता है मेरा खुदा के बीच। मैं ज्यादा मांगता नहीं, वो कम देता नहीं। सर, यही भक्ति का शक्ति है, यही भक्ति का शक्ति है। So with this bhakti, as a student study, with this bhakti, please make sure you select good friends around you. Very important as teenagers, select good friends around you. Because when you select good friends around you, they will always support you. And everybody, we are human. One day you will go low. And that time a good friend will support you high. When Duryodhana Arjuna went to Lord Krishna for help, Duryodhana chose the army of Lord Krishna, Narayan Sena. अभी नहीं, वो दूसरा जूस पी रहे हैं। Please listen, because one thought should change your life. Arjuna what? Arjuna said, I want Krishna. Krishna says, I'm not going to fight. You want my army or me? Army to Narayan Sena, biggest Sena. And Duryodhana said, I want army. And Arjuna said, I want Krishna, but I am not going to fight. You know why? Because Arjuna knew how to choose a best friend. न चाहत है सितारों की, तमन्ना है नजारों की। आप जैसा दोस्त मिले क्या जरूरत है हजारों की। So therefore, all of you choose right friends. Very important, choose right friends. And we are human. We will go low, including the speaker. We will go low. And we may go high. When you go high, don't develop ahankar. When you go low, don't develop depression. When you go high, have kritagnyata. When you go low in your life, please see, always seek, always learn, always learn. Are you all getting friends? Alright, and whatever the problem, Bhagavan ka tofa hai problem. So that I can be srijanatmak. And to be srijanatmak, what is necessary? Please enter sankalp chahiye, shikayat nahi. So very important all of you, vision power, very important all of you. I just now came out of dengue. Alright, or else I am a student of martial art. Alright, in martial art we have the power called vision, power, speed, skill and strategy. In martial art, alright, I am a black belt in martial art and spirit. Yoga also is there. I do yoga because all martial art emerged from where? Kerala. It's called Kalaripet. And that's why Kalaripet is called Noku Vidya in Malayalam. Noku means the power of seeing. That's why in martial art, where to hit, which point to hit, how much to hit. If you know, you can collapse the other person. That's called Noku Vidya, Kalaripet. Alright, and all of you should know how to see. Are you seeing what I am saying? That's why Veda is called Atma Vaya, Draktavim, see. It is like, Mr. and Mrs. Reddy goes to Hyderabad. From Hyderabad they go to Varanasi. When they go to Varanasi, Mrs. Reddy said to Mr. Reddy, pocket khali chayegi, taraga. In Telugu means, khali karo pocket. And Mr. Reddy said, kyun? Arey, dekho, dukaan ko upar kya likha hai? Cotton sarees 5 rupees, nylon sarees 7 rupees, silk sarees 10 rupees. इतना सस्ता है हमारा हैदराबाद एक सिल्क साड़ी 2000 3000 कभी खरीदेंगे as much as खाली. And Mr. Reddy tells Mrs. Reddy, ये सुंदरी का माँ, ये इस्त्री का दुकान है, ये इस्त्री का दुकान है बाबा. देखो, Mrs. Reddy, she read correctly, but the context was wrong. Reading, इस्त्री का दुकान है, they got 10 rupees. हम लोग, we read things, but context very different है. You are reading life, but you may read life, Mrs. Reddy read rightly, but context are wrong. In life also we have to read our success properly. Are you getting, sir? ये जिंदगी एक बंद किताब है जिसमें बहुत कम लोग खोला है. जो लोग खोला है कम लोग पढ़ा है. जो लोग पढ़ा है कम लोग समझा है. और जो लोग समझा है कम लोग तजुर्बा में लाया. हमारा जीवन एक जिंदगी एक बंद किताब हो गया. आप खोलकर सही ढंग से शब्द को स्टॉप डोंट मत करो, अर्थ को पकड़ो. केवल अर्थ पर्याप्त नहीं, भाव को पकड़ो. भाव भी पर्याप्त नहीं, इसे एक तजुर्बा में लाना है. Are you getting this, sir? So keep this in mind. Now very quickly I want to see rightly in martial art. I'll not forget about martial art को छोड़ दीजिए. Vision, power, speed, skill, strategy. आपका विजन क्या होना चाहिए जीवन में? युद्ध में एक विजन क्या होना चाहिए? Like किधर मारना? How much to hit? Should I hit or not? ये युद्ध का है. जीवन भी एक तरफ का युद्ध ही है, वो अलग बात है. लाइफ में क्या होना चाहिए विजन? All of you, what should be your vision of life? Most of people of vision of life is success, success, success. अरे इतना successful people, their life is miserable. I have an organization in San Francisco. San Francisco for me is the most beautiful city. People judge नहीं करता है. Sometime 2 years back I went. Two of my students came prostrate to me, Swamiji, Ashirwad karo, and both are men. And the temple only has done, Hindu temple has done marriage for them. And they come to Guru for Ashirwad. क्या करना है? इतना open society है. Weather एकदम first class है, but still depression is maximum in San Francisco. Weather is beautiful, people are open, money है, so सफलता पर्याप्त नहीं होता जीवन में. And some people say, what should be a vision? संतृप्ति साम, तृप्ति. तुम गांजा पीकर तृप्ति, धम्मर धम, तृप्ति. अरे बाबा, तृप्ति भी पर्याप्त नहीं, सफलता भी पर्याप्त नहीं. क्या होना चाहिए? The vision should be परिपूर्णता. Can all of you say? परिपूर्णता means get success and also learn to be satisfied. Success and satisfaction. Success is getting what you like. Success is getting what you like, and satisfaction is liking what you get. दोनों अपना मस्तिष्क सीखना है. Get what you like. For me, 5 crores a year is successful. For Ambani is peanuts. For Ambani 5 crores is peanuts. अरे छोड़ो दूसरा का definition. आपका क्या है ख्वाहिश? Get what you like. That is success. ये पर्याप्त नहीं होगा. Like what you get. आपका मस्तिष्क ये भी सीखना है. To get what you like and like what you get. To like what you get is satisfaction. Get what you like is success. ये दोनों का शादी, right, मिलन is परिपूर्णता. आपूर्यमान मचल प्रतिष्ठम समुद्रमाप. So your vision of life should be success and satisfaction. Not success defined by your neighbor, defined by Trump. No, defined by you. Is it clear? Vision. Is it clear? Now power. Power is what? What should be the power? The power should be commitment. All of you say? Commitment. But हमारा power क्या है? Going, complaint. क्या भी complaint करो. अरे बाबा, your commit संकल्प होना चाहिए. So commitment which you study. Commitment I have to contribute to the country. Commitment I have to contribute to my marriage. Or else your marriage will be miserable. Most of marriages क्या हुआ है? Engagement ring, marriage ring, suffering, enduring. क्यों? Because one bhikari gets married to another bhikari. दो भिखारी शादी करेंगे तो क्या होता है? Each one खींचेगा. मैंने मंदिर और मस्जिद क्या गजब की जगह है. मंदिर और मस्जिद क्या गजब का जगह है. भिखारी लोग बाहर भीख मांगता है और अमीर लोग अंदर भीख मांगता है. सब भीख मांगा. शादी किया, भीख मांग रहा है. Isn't it, friends? You as a student, what can you contribute to the organization, to your nursing clinic? And the organization, what can I contribute to the student? Not dil mange more. But there, what can I give? He gives not the best who gives the most, but he gives the most who gives the best. If I cannot give bountiful, yet I will give freely, and what I lack in my hand, I'll supply with my heart. For the heart of education is the education of the heart. I'm speaking right now. What can I give? You also. You're listening. Give. Love when you're looking. Don't look at me like you're doing X-ray to me. Give. If you don't understand, also smile. And then you motivate the speaker. Are you getting, sir? Motivate the speaker. If each one knows how to good, give. Life is going to be beautiful. Yes or no, sir? So that is commitment power. There's lack of time, so I just stop. Vision, power, speed. All of you? All लोग का vegetarian, is it? दम ही नहीं आपका. I'm not saying vegetarian, no, but दमदार protein का हो थोड़ा. Is it clear? Yes. What is the next word? Speed. Sir, listen very carefully. What should be the speed? In martial art, you say vision. किधर मारना है? Power होना चाहिए मारने का. और वो मारेगा, वो पता फटा लेगी. You should have a speed also. Leave that in life. Speed. The speed should be what? To be happy right now. No, Swamiji, शादी का बाद I'll be happy. Then talaq hoga. But after I get, see, most of us, all of you quickly, what is time? Quickly, what is time? Past, present and future. Yes or no, sir? Past, present, future is time. But what is the truth of time? What is the truth of time? Present ही है. देखो, present is the truth of time. Description of time है, अतीत है, भविष्य है, वर्तमान है. But हकीकत में क्या है time? A movement of वर्तमान. Right? So I say, $10 million I'm going to become happy. किधर डाला मैं मेरा happiness? $10 million हासिल के बाद I'm going to be happy. $10 million future में है. वर्तमान में I have 100 rupees. $10 million in the future will be happy. No, at present वर्तमान I have only $100. I'm unhappy. No, unhappy, then $10 million. I get. इतना unhappy practice किया, when $10 million का हासिल होता है, किधर होता है? वर्तमान और भविष्य में? वर्तमान में. Already वर्तमान में unhappy practice किया. So $10 million का हासिल के बाद भी you will be unhappy because you have practiced being unhappy in the present. That's why Vajpayee ji says, कल करते आज हाथ से निकले सारे, भूत भविष्य की चिंता में वर्तमान बाजी हारे. You have lost the game of living. So right now all of you be happy. With wife, without wife, in spite of wife. Be happy. मस्तिष्क सीखना है right now. उदासियों का कारण बहुत है जिंदगी में, but बेवजह खुश रहना का मजा ही कुछ और है. So right now you be happy, all of you. Right now be happy. Out of happiness get married. Out of happiness go to $20 million. So यही speed sir. Right? Vision, all of you. Vision, power, skill. एक हुनर है, एक कला है. योगः कर्मसु कौशलम. कृष्ण भगवान बोलते हैं ये कला है. अभी बात करने भी एक कला है. केवल शब्द का खेल नहीं है. That's why शेर में बंदिशों अल्फाज काफी नहीं है. शेर में बंदिशों अल्फाज काफी नहीं है. जिक्र को खून चाहिए असर के लिए. थोड़ा प्राण डालना है. जिक्र का प्राण डालना है, तभी शेर बनता है. केवल अल्फाज का खेल नहीं. So therefore skill है. It's a skill. Talking is skill. Living is a skill. Alright? Learn to bring that skill, sir, in whatever you are doing. Right? Vision, all of you. Vision, power, speed, skill, and strategy. लाइफ में क्रिएटिवली एक स्ट्रैटेजी होना चाहिए सर. वन थिंग, द स्ट्रैटेजी इज सिंप्लीफाई योर लाइफ. पर आज प्रेजेंट अभी शादी देखेंगे, इंडिया शादी हॉरिबल, crores of rupees. आपको 1 year का बाद तलाक. कितना शादी, अहंकार की खेल है शादी. पैसा देना तो दे दो ना. Your daughter का all ego boosting है, right? Because अंदर simple life है, सरल नहीं हमारा life, complicated है. जीना सरल है, मरना सरल है, शादी करना सरल है, तलाक भी सरल है. तो मुश्किल क्या है? सरल होना ही बड़ा मुश्किल है. सरल होना ही बड़ा मुश्किल है. अरे हम गुरु है, बड़ा धूमधाम है. क्या है गुरु है? बी सिंपल बाबा. दिखावा छोड़ दो. Nowadays गुरु भी एक दिखावा है, शादी एक दिखावा है, एवरीथिंग एक दिखावा है. So therefore be simple. If vision, power, speed, skill and strategy is there, then Steve Jobs, all right, Apple. So now tell me, one of the greatest innovators is Steve Jobs. Yes or no, sir? Apple. Now if you look at Steve Jobs, please see, he did two things. Why is the greatest innovator Steve Jobs? Please see, I think it's the last I think somebody has put, you see. All right, but you will understand if the keynote comes or not. See, the question is, mobile technology was very different. Apple tech, I'm sorry, what is this? Laptop or different technology. See, anyway, I'll come to that. Go to the next slide, Shakila, go to the next slide. See, mobile technology was very different. Laptop technology was completely different. But what did Steve Jobs do? He integrated two different technologies and created his iPhone. That is one of the greatest innovations of this century. Two different technologies. What is the spiritual learning, sir? The spiritual learning is two different issues can be there, still learn to be happy. Therefore, there's the Sanskrit Subhashitam, it says, येन केन प्रकारेण यस्य कस्यापि देहिनः संतोषं जनयेत् प्राज्ञः तत् एव ईश्वर पूजनम्. सुभाषितम यही ईश्वर का पूजा है. सृजनात्मक ढंग से कोई भी परिस्थिति में संतोषम जनयेत्. How Steve Jobs, two different technologies he integrated. So too also two different things. You may be single. You may not be successful, but still you can be happy. Yahi Ishvara ka pujanam. Are you getting, sir? So go to the previous slide, please. See, go to the previous slide. And Steve Jobs, one of the greatest innovators, he said in college he did not learn. From calligraphy he learned more. Can you read that? In college, he was coming out of the college. He walked to college. Calligraphy is, calligraphy, all of you know. From there it helped him in creating his iPhone. Even I can't understand how. From there he got it, sir. आप जब creative होगा, you can pick up from anywhere. So therefore Steve Jobs taught us two different technologies you can integrate. So क्या भी परिस्थिति हो, alright, if you can have sankalpa, and I'm adding, you have bhakti. When you have sankalpa and you have bhakti, sir, impossible is possible. Kalidasa was a very unintelligent person, isn't it? He was so dull. His wife said, right, our relatives are coming, please don't open your mouth. Because Kalidasa open karta all, this is a real thing, don't open your mouth, the great Sanskrit poet said. So he remained quiet. He loved his wife. Then he was reading a book, Ulta Palti. Upside down he was reading. And all the relatives laughed at him. Then wife gets so insulted. Every time he insulted me. He loved his wife. He goes to Kali and takes the knife to cut his tongue. Why have you made so dull? Anugraha descended. माणिक्य वीणा उपलालयन्ती मदालसां मंजुल वाक्विलासां महेन्द्र नीलद्युति कोमलांगीं मातंग कन्या सततम स्मरामि चतुर्भुजे चंद्रकलावतंसे कुचोनते कुंकुम रागशोने पुंड्रे शुभाशांकुश पुष्पबाणहस्ते नमस्ते जगतेकमातः माता मरकतश्याम मातंगी मधुशालिनी कुर्यात् कटाक्ष कल्याणी कदम्ब बनवा. Just poetry flew down. Himself was shocked. Himself shocked. When bhakti descends, mukam karoti vachalam pangum langayati girim. Ramanuja, the great mathematician, he was not even a graduate in Oxford. How do you solve the problem? He said, I don't know. At the end, he had tuberculosis. At the end, he said, how did you solve the problem with that? Because you can't give a degree if you don't tell me the process. He says, ultimately, Durga's blessings. The third eye open. Sir, when you have this, your sankalp bhi hona chahiye aur bhakti bhi hona chahiye. Vision, power, speed, skill, strategy hona chahiye. Alright? And therefore, everything an adbhut ras dekho. Sukha is the prasad of the Lord. Dukkha is the mahaprasad of the Lord. दुक्का भी एक महाप्रसाद है. न जाने किस कारण से भगवान मुश्किल दे रहा है. And if you take this, sir, then you will experience a different type of tajruba. Something close to you has died. I recently experienced this. Our trustee, she was my right hand. Devaki Jaipuria, she was my right hand, and she passed away 1 year back. And I had tears in my eyes. And I experienced this beautiful poem. I shared it, said beautifully, मुलाकात भी कभी कभी आंसू दे जाती है. मुलाकात भी कभी कभी आंसू दे जाती है. नजरें भी कभी कभी धोखा दे जाती है. Because they saw me, Swamiji, author of 119 books, when she died, tears were coming. But my tears were out of gratitude. मुलाकात भी कभी कभी आंसू दे जाती है. नजरें भी कभी कभी धोखा देती है. गुजरते हुए लम्हों को याद कर कर देखिए, तन्हाई भी कभी कभी सुकून दे जाती है. एक बड़ा मुहम्मा है समझने का, समझाने का. जिंदगी काबू है, ख्वाब है दीवाने का. ये बड़ा मुहम्मा है. खोकर पाने का मजा ही कुछ और है. रोक कर मुस्कुराने का मजा ही कुछ और है. हार तो जिंदगी का हिस्सा है मेरे दोस्त. हारने के बाद जीतना का मजा ही कुछ और है. केवल अल्फाज में, शब्द में पकड़ नहीं सकता है. Alright? But you don't have this experience, then your face will be all sad. So not sad as the piles complain, constipated look. कुछ लोग देखा है कोई फेस चेहरा लगता है, constipated look. Even Asha hospital cannot cure the problem. जिसको पामाल चेहरे is a beautiful शेर है. चेहरे मुहरे दम है, हतो काल की तरफ. माजी भी दम की छाप है, अब हाल की तरफ. If you don't understand, say वावा. Don't understand, say. The शेर says चेहरे मुहरे गम है, हतो काल की तरफ. Your face has got a stamp of sorrow, and that has become your face cut. वही माजी भी दम की साथ है. माजी मतलब your past दम की साथ है. With force it hits your, जैसा हाल चाल की तरफ. Sir, your past is hitting you. आनंद से सामने करो. As Vajpayee ji say very beautifully says, हार नहीं मानूंगा, रार नहीं ठानूंगा. खाल के कपाल पे लिखता हूँ और मिटाता हूँ, मगर गीत नया गाता हूँ, गीत नया गाता हूँ. So हार नहीं मानूंगा, रार नहीं ठानूंगा. So therefore please understand, हमारा अतीत होगा, पास्ट होगा, वो पास्ट भी कृतज्ञता से, आनंद से, सृजनात्मक ढंग से उस ऊर्जा के सामने करो सर. नहीं तो क्या हो जाता हमारा जीवन. I'll end up now. क्या होता मुझे एक ब्यूटीफुल एक गजल है. बीती यादों का नक्शपा हूँ मैं, बीती यादों का नक्शपा हूँ मैं, आज भी कल का सिलसिला हूँ मैं. We are an extension of yesterday. Then what is the इलाज है? सांस लेना भी एक इबादत है, सांस लेना भी एक इबादत है। ये समझकर जी रहा हूं मैं, वरना जख्मों का सिलसिला हूं मैं। How beautiful the poet says, sir, ये all बीत यादों का निक्षेपा हूं मैं। अभी पाकिस्तान में देखो, ओ इंडिया बांग्लादेश ब्रेक हो गया, खटखट गया, और टेंशन में जाता, बीत यादों का। बट सांस लेना भी एक इबादत है। It's a prayer, no? Stop this breathing, then you will see. ये समझकर जी रहा हूं मैं, वरना और जख्मों का सिलसिला हूं मैं। We become a wound of yesterday. That's why many nations are happening. So can you face your yesterday with love, with gratitude, with bhakti? And you face there, sir, you will bow down to your difficulty. You will not be angry with your difficulty. You will bow down to your difficulty. Oh, sounds I also bow down. सर झुकाने में नमाज़ा नहीं होती बाबा, दिल झुकाना पड़ता है इबादत के लिए। सर झुकाने में नमाज़ा नहीं होती, दिल झुकाना पड़ता है इबादत के लिए। So therefore, friends, bring in vision, power, speed, skill, strategy. All of you are going to face problems. Last I will say, end up. You cannot control your mind. I'm saying it. You cannot control your mind. अरे स्वामी जी, cannot control, then क्यों प्रवचन दे रहा है? Sir, I'll tell all of you. It's a mischievous statement. I know a lot of young people are there, so I will dilute the mischievous statement. All of you, right? Eyes open. Think of the most delicious food. I'll think of masala dosa. You think of delicious food. Come on, look at me and say delicious food. Think of the most beautiful scenery. Beautiful scenery. Think of the most beautiful gift you got. Right? Think of what your first lover's touch. First lover's touch. Say how jolly you become. Then think right now. Somebody has come to me rushing and says, somebody close to you has died. It can happen. Somebody close to you has died. What will happen? Suddenly it will become very sad. When I say think of the delicious food, your tongue will start watering. Most beautiful scenery, face एक चेहरे, एक रोशनी आ जाता है. Your first lover's touch, आ जाता है. Somebody close to you has died. एकदम उदास हो गया. Means what? Wherever attention goes, your mind goes. Wherever attention goes, you thought about delicious food, mind goes. Thought about the first lover's touch, mind goes. Thought about somebody died to you, mind goes. Wherever your attention goes, your mind goes. You can't control the mind. Put your attention, then mind will follow. Mind will follow. Now put your attention on vision, power, speed, skill, strategy. Put attention, all problems are going to enjoy the problems. Alright? You'll be a giver, not a beggar. If you start doing all this, sir, एक बड़ा मजा है जीवन में. Alright? मुलाकात आंसू दे जाती है, but still भी एक अलग kind of तजुर्बा है. So therefore, this you have to learn in your living, sir. Any amount having diamond earring, diamond ring is not going to help, sir. Earn your money, earn your qualification, but also live life wisely. जिंदगी की तलाश में कहाँ नहीं गया. मैं टाइगर रिसोर्ट में था. जिंदगी की तलाश में कहाँ नहीं गया. जहाँ मिल भी सकता था, बस वहाँ नहीं गया. किधर मिलना? आपका अंदर ही. That's why I'll end up, I definitely end up, when Arjuna asked the question, स्थित प्रज्ञस्य का भाषा समाधिस्तस्य केशव स्थितहि किं प्रभाषेत किमासीत व्रजेत किम. Arjuna asked, who is the wise person? What does Krishna say in the Gita? प्रजहाति यदा कामान सर्वान् पार्थ मनोगतान् आत्मन्येवात्मना तुष्टः स्थितः प्रज्ञस्ततोच्यते. आत्मन्येवात्मना तुष्टः. In your own self, तुष्टः you have to become. Then that person is a wise person. wise person is not who can read your mind. In my ashram there was my colleague. He was very good in reading people's mind. And he came, I was teaching him Vyakarna. Don't say Kya karna, Vyakarna ko padka. I was Sanskrit Vyakarna. And then he said, Swamiji, I want to give Philippines Tantric he was in our ashram. I'll teach you to read mind. I said, my mind is more than enough. Why should I read other people's minds? So when you have Jnanam, sir, you will ask how much you want. Right? Or else your life will be this. Learn to just be happy. Please see, you can't control your mind. Put your attention right, then mind will follow. Like a dog, when you hold it, it's following. Alright? You will have problems, but enjoy the problem. Learn to face the problem. And therefore, right, I have to end my talk. It's wonderful talking to you. I'm extremely happy for the last time. Akasmat, I told him, I love wildlife. I told him I love. All of you take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot. I'll give you a 5 days free workshop to all of you. Online. 5 days free workshop. Last day I'll come final. Because 1 घंटा तो Instagram ऐसा है. Instagram में ये नहीं आता है, right? Please take a stop. You Asha 205 to that number. I'll give you online 5 days free workshop. And I'll come on the 5th day. Please take a shot. That is my property. Right? Now, let me end up by saying, I casually spoke to Rajendra Agrawal and said, I love wildlife because I go to Kenya, Tanzania, that's my holiday. I go, he says, oh Swamiji, I come here, I take you to the resort. And therefore, then when I came, he took me to his wonderful hospital. Please do a big hand. Right, what amount of seva. Alright, with the most minimum thing, amount of seva doing. Nara seva is Narayan seva. I only wish and pray. Right, Asha Hospital, with the leadership of him, can continue good work. Because please see, he gives not the best who gives the most, but he gives the most who gives the best. If I cannot give bountiful, yet I will give freely, and what I lack in my hand, I'll supply with my heart. For the heart of education is the education of the heart. I think with heart he's doing there. So therefore, it's a great honor for me to talk. Take this, please take, write this short, and 5 days online. If they come live, because I feel lot to say, but even a little you get, your life can change. 75% snake bites are non-poisonous. But a non-poisonous snake bites you. You die. Actually, snake should die. Itna pani puri, itna sharab, kya piya. Non-poisonous snake. Why? Who has killed you? Thought has killed you. Right? So manage your thought properly. Right? You manage your thought. Nothing can change you, sir. वो तो जाग मुसाफिर, कौन बहिरे जो सोवत है, वो खोवत है, वो जागत है, वो जागत है, वो तो जाग मुसाफिर. Right? So thank you very much. Thank you. Now one quick round. I have to rush the back. Anybody questions you have? No question. If there are no questions, either you are a Buddha or a Buddhu. I have no questions on cardiosurgery. No questions. I have full questions on the nose thing. How mushkil hota hai. But afterwards you can go on talking to your wife and to the neighbor's wife and still do the cooking. I'm not telling don't do it. Just looking at somebody. You are driving the car. Initially, इतना मुश्किल है. बाद में क्या हो जाता है? You can talk to your wife, talk to somebody else, still drive the car. Starting से थोड़ा difficult होगा. Starting से, but ऐसे ही कोशिश करेंगे एक जरिया मिल जाता है. Right? So देखो आप कोशिश करना पड़ेगा. जैसे कृष्ण से yes sir.
स्वामी जी के चरणों में नमन.
माइक दे दो. हाँ.
स्वामी जी मैं एक चीज़ पूछना चाहूँगा.
Okay. बोलो ऐसे ही बोलो आपका
टोटल एक क्लास में 60 स्टूडेंट्स है जैसे।
हाँ
ट्राई तो सभी स्टूडेंट कर रहे हैं, पूरी क्लास के 60 स्टूडेंट्स, लेकिन फर्स्ट उसमें से एक ही आता है, तो जो सेकंड आता है, थर्ड आता है, और बाकी जो पास होते हैं, जो उन्होंने डिस्करेज नहीं होना चाहिए, उसके बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे?
इसके बारे में बात करें। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्यों एवरीबॉडी फर्स्ट होना चाहिए बोलिए? इफ एवरीबॉडी फर्स्ट होगा तो कौन सेकंड होगा? कैसे हो सकता है? ये टीचर्स का और पेरेंट्स का पागलपन है। सुन लीजिए, फर्स्ट ने आपका बेस्ट देना है, फर्स्ट ने आपका बेस्ट। बहुत लोग हैं वो नॉट स्कोर्ड वेरी वेल, बीइंग फर्स्ट इन लाइफ सक्सेसफुल होगा। तो व्हाट इज माय क्वेश्चन है, आप बेस्ट दे दो, फर्स्ट को छोड़ दो पागल का। राइट, एंड सेकेंडली क्यों हो गया बेस्ट करने के बाद राइट थर्ड हो गया? अरे बाबा, नजर और नसीब का इत्तेफाक देख लीजिए। नजर को क्या चीज पसंद है आपका नसीब में नहीं है, और नसीब में लिखा हुआ चीज आपका नजर में नहीं है। यही इत्तेफाक है। सो माय क्वेश्चन इज, डू योर बेस्ट, डू योर बेस्ट, लीव द रेस्ट। And I am telling you, many people I know, I have never stood first in my college. I have always come about 15th or something. Never stood. But in my life, if I see, I have authored 119 books. I got so many awards. Sir, best देने का खलास इतना है। ये फर्स्ट तो ये सोसाइटी का पागलपन है, सोसाइटी का पागलपन है। कैसा ये असंभव है? If there are 100 students, how can everybody be first? राइट, छोड़ दो। बट क्यों सेकंड थर्ड है? वो नजर और नसीब का इत्तेफाक है। पर कोशिश करो फर्स्ट होने का। आया तो ले लो, नहीं आया तो गोली मारो इसको। ऐसा
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
एनीबॉडी वन मोर क्वेश्चन।
आदमी को जितना मिले, जिस लेवल में भी मिले, उसको एंजॉय करना चाहिए, पास्ट को छोड़ छाड़ के। तो ये तो बात आपकी समझ में आई कि एंजॉय करो अपनी लाइफ को, अपने एग्जिस्टिंग पोजीशंस को। पर क्या वो आगे कहाँ तक जाए ये सोच सकता है? क्या उसको सोचना चाहिए क्या कि वो वहीं रहे, जिस स्थिति में उस स्थिति में रहे, या आगे भी उसको आगे बढ़ना चाहिए, एक आगे अच्छी लाइफ रहना चाहिए, या और उसको मिलना चाहिए, या आगे उसको आगे सोचना चाहिए क्या, या कुछ उसके लिए करना?
सोचना चाहिए पर चिंता नहीं होना चाहिए। सोच और चिंता में फर्क है। आप कितना तो मेरा आरज़ू था 100 बुक्स लिखने के लिए। क्यों लिखना है? ये मेरा ख्वाहिश है। राइट, सोचना है, ये मेरा ख्वाहिश है, पर चिंता नहीं करना, भी मग्न नहीं होना चाहिए। इसलिए मैं बोला है, ख्वाहिश ऐसी करो कि आसमान तक जा सको, मगर दुआ ऐसी करो को खुदा को पा सको। तो देखो एक हम वर्तमान में तृप्ति होना एक आलस्य भावना नहीं, वर्तमान में तृप्ति होना ये आलस्य का कारण में हो सकता है, बट ये ज्ञान पूर्वक से खुशी रहना, ये एंटी नहीं। अभी अच्छा आ गया, आई वांट टू बी फ्लाई लाइक अ बर्ड बोलेगा तो, अरे यस यू कैन बी लाइक बिल गेट्स, यू कैन बी लाइक व्हाट दैट इलॉन मस्क। सर देयर इज नो एंड टुवर्ड्स इट, सर यू गो। सो मेरा वर्कशॉप्स में क्या सिखाता है ना, ऑल ऑफ यू 3 इंपॉर्टेंट डिजायर्स रखो। आई टेल इन माई ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम्स में आपका 3 इंपॉर्टेंट गोल्स, 1000 मत ले लो, 3 इंपॉर्टेंट गोल्स लिख दीजिए आपको। वो बात में एवरी डे 1% इंप्रूवमेंट टू रीच दैट गोल। 1% सोने का पहले 1% करो, पर 3 इंपॉर्टेंट गोल है, लक्ष्य रखो मन में आपका आरज़ू का अनुसार। देन ये 1% रोज 1% का इंप्रूवमेंट होना चाहिए, 1% का इंप्रूवमेंट। ये बहुत अच्छा है भाई, जाना धीरे धीरे रे मना धीरे सब कुछ होई, माली सीची सौड़ा ऋतुपल होई, कबीर से जनो। सो बट क्या हुआ ना, ग्रीड हो गया, दिल मांगे मोर। सो आपका पास डायमंड तो मेरे पास भी डायमंड होना चाहिए। एक आदमी बोला, स्वामी जी आप इतना पुस्तक लिखा, एक ही आश्रम क्यों है स्वामी जी? दूसरा गुरु है, बात ही नहीं करता, 10 आश्रम है। अरे क्यों 10 आश्रम चाहिए हमको? मेरा 1 और 2 बस है। सो आपका अंदर सोचेंगे तो आपका अंतरात्मा बोलेगा ये मेरा आरज़ू है, देन यू गो टुवर्ड्स दैट आरज़ू। नहीं तो पागलपन हो जाता है, डिप्रेशन हो जाता है, राइट? इतना देखो आप, दिस प्लैनेट अर्थ इज बीइंग डिस्ट्रॉयड। आर यू अवेयर? साइंटिस्ट्स आर टेकिंग द DNA blood now and putting it to Mars. They are already going putting it to Mars because ये planet खत्म हो जाता है। See, Elon Musk has already told what he has told. He is going to, in 2 years or 3 years, he is going to make a robot. A person need not get married. I want a robot. एक औरत आ जाता है robot. ये ऐसे, which height, which length, how fat, how thin. You can buy it in some dollars. Then that robot can even give birth to a child. इतना advancement हो गया. Then everything it does means we don't know what is going to happen. Alright, so therefore don't have greed, sir, but have desire out of happiness. आगे का नाम तो एक it is ridiculous, right? That kind of clarity one should have, right? Last question, because आपका face is so nice. Okay, come on.
सर मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ, जीवन का अंतिम उद्देश्य क्या है? जीवन का अंतिम उद्देश्य क्या है? और फर्स्ट लाइन में है,
Okay, please don't talk, listen.
जीवन का अंतिम उद्देश्य क्या है अपना? जीवन एक किताब की तरह, जीवन एक किताब की है जिसका पहला पेज तो ऊपर वाले ने लिखा है, लास्ट पेज भी ऊपर वाले ने लिखा है, जो बीच का पेज है वो हम कैसे लिखे?
Say, I don't know. How many of people are married here? How many of you are married? Raise your hand. Why? Why? To be happy. Why I am not married? To be happy. Alright, talk friend. How many of you smoke here? Alright, you are smoking to be happy. If most of you are not smoking, to be happy. Ultimate udesh to be happy, sir. Udesh to be happy. ये अंतिम का. To be happy. But happy क्या गांजा में, हाशिश में, नौड़ी शादी में देखा आइसक्रीम पर गुलाब जामुन कोवा. That is pleasure. सुख विलास, भोग विलास is pleasure. Ultimately happiness is being happy. Alright, नसीब फर्स्ट पेज लिखा है भगवान, वो नसीब है. Will not था, एक बहुत बड़ा टॉपिक है. Right, नसीब अलग बात है. If God has given you a lime, make a lemonade. God has given you a mango, make a mango juice. No mango juice, no, I want pineapple juice. तो मैंगो को लुत्फ नहीं लेगा. अंतिम गोल है एक खुशी आनंद से जीना. आनंद मतलब धूम्रपान नहीं, शराब नहीं, वो प्लेजर्स है. आनंद भी एक बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग और हमारा भीतर ही आनंद है. सो यही हमारा जीवन का उद्देश्य. अभी शादी क्यों करना? मेरा आनंद दूसरा आनंद को देना. नहीं, देना नहीं, देना है. When you go like this, अभी मेरा प्रवचन है, मैं आनंद दे रहा है आपको, आपके आनंद भी देना है. Right? सब यही बोल. Then I think I have to catch a flight. Thank you very much. Alright? Sorry, I'm rushing to the airport. Please do the course. Alright, do the course. Free. Alright, do that.
What an absolutely inspiring and enlightening session, sharing your divine wisdom and guiding us towards a deeper connection with our true selves. The teachings we have received today are not just words, they are seeds of transformation, and if we choose to nurture them, they will bring profound peace and healing into our lives. Here, I humbly request Honorable Dr. Rajendra Agrawal sir, founder, trustee of Asha Hospital and Asharam College of Nursing, to kindly come forward to share some thoughts.
परम आदरणीय स्वामी जी, स्वामी सुखबोधानंद जी, all the distinguished guests, teachers, students, स्वामी जी के बाद में बोलने को कुछ बोलने का नहीं रह जाता। जो तमन्ना थी कि यहाँ पर हर वर्ष कंटिन्यूसली हर समय स्टूडेंट्स को मोटिवेशन मिले, एक इंस्पिरेशन मिले, और वर्ल्ड क्लास स्पीकर यदि आज हमारे बीच है स्वामी सुखबोधानंद जी, तो इससे बड़ी कोई चीज नहीं हो सकती। साथियों, मैं 20 वर्ष पूर्व टीवी पे स्वामी जी के गीता के जो रहस्य होते थे, उनके जो स्टैंडर्ड्स होते थे, उसका जो विवेचन करते थे, उसको सुनने के वक्त ही मैं उनका शिष्य हो गया था। और बीच में फिर कनेक्शन टूट गया था, क्योंकि कहीं से मालूम नहीं था कि कैसे जाना उनसे मुलाकात करने के लिए। जैसे आज उन्होंने एक वो दिया कि इस कोर्स में आइए, ऐसे ही मैंने कोई टीवी में या यूट्यूब में वो कोर्स का देखा और मैंने उस कोर्स के लिए रजिस्ट्रेट किया। आज से हो सकता है 6 महीने पहले, 8 महीने पहले, और मुझे इतना अच्छा कोर्स लगा। वो 4 दिन के वीडियोस थे, हर एक दिन के एक वीडियोस थे, और 5वें दिन स्वामी जी के उसमें इंटरेक्शन था जूम पे। मैं बताता हूं कि उस दिन के बाद से मैं कंटिन्यूअसली रोज उनके जो वीडियोस हैं, जो 4 वाले, वो मैं देखता हूं। हर दिन एक 40 मिनट का है, एंड इट गिव्स मी न्यू थिंग्स, इट गिव्स मी इंस्पिरेशन। और उसके बाद में फिर उनका एक एडवांस कोर्स था, उसे भी मैंने किया। एडवांस कोर्स करने के बाद में उसके भी जो वीडियोस हैं, मेरा ये नियम है कि रोज सुबह जब मैं उठता हूं, उठने के बाद में पहले उनके जो मेडिटेशन है वो मेडिटेशन करता हूं, और मेडिटेशन के बाद में उनका एक वीडियो जरूर सुनता हूं। और उस चीज ने, उस छोटी सी चीज ने मेरे जैसे छोटे से आदमी से पर्सन को इतने बड़े पर्सन के साथ में मिला दिया। तो मेरा आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि स्वामी जी ने वो कोर्स आप लोगों को इंस्पायर करने के लिए, मोटिवेशन देने के लिए वो कोर्स फ्री कर दिया है। इट्स रियली, वी आर वेरी मच थैंकफुल टू यू स्वामी जी। एंड ऐसे पर्सन जो वर्ल्ड फोरम में, वर्ल्ड बैंक के फोरम में आईएएस के सामने उन लोगों को मोटिवेट करते हैं जो ऑलरेडी अपने से कई गुना ज्यादा मोटिवेट होकर के कुछ चीजें अचीव की है, उनको भी मोटिवेशन की जरूरत थी। ऐसे लोगों को मोटिवेट करते हैं, तो हमारे लिए ये बड़े सौभाग्य की बात है, बड़े सौभाग्य की बात है कि आप जैसे मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर हम जैसे छोटे से क्लास को, हमारे जैसे नर्सिंग स्कूल, कॉलेज और टीचर्स को, और हमारे आशा हॉस्पिटल के स्टाफ के लिए और हमारे दोस्तों के लिए यहाँ पे उपलब्ध हुए। मैं आपका कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद देता हूँ। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और लास्ट में मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा, मैं खास करके जिन्होंने प्रश्न किया, जब वो प्रश्न कर रहे थे तो मुझे याद आया कि रामायण में, रामायण जितनी भी चीज लिखी हुई है उसमें शिव पार्वती संवाद है, और पार्वती जी ने जो प्रश्न किया था उसके आधार पे शिव जी ने जो बताया वो सब चीजें रामायण में लिखी हुई है। तो ये जो दोनों तीनों लोगों ने प्रश्न किया, वो प्रश्न खुद के लिए नहीं होता है, सोसाइटी के लिए होता है। मेरे लिए बहुत खुशी की बात होती थी कि यदि मेरे स्टूडेंट्स में से एक आदि कोई प्रश्न, भले किसी को कैसा भी लगे, अपनी खुशी के लिए, लोगों की खुशी के लिए यदि किया होता तो और खुशी होती। अभी भी किसी के मन में कोई प्रश्न उठ रहा है तो बिल्कुल करिए, परिस्थिति मत सोचिए कि परिस्थिति कौन क्या सोचेगा, अपनी मनस्थिति को ऊंचा बनाइए, अटेंशन रखिए, अटेंशन उस जगह रखिए जहां आपको पहुंचना है। आपने जो एस्पिरेशन किया है वहां तक आपको पहुंचना है, निश्चित आप पहुंचोगे। किसी ने हाथ पीछे से खड़ा किया, मुझे ऐसा लगा, यस, I'll be more happy if that student asks the questions.
Yeah,
Give mic.
the mic, yeah.
मतलब बात हो जाता है, बट समटाइम्स ऐसा होता है कि उस रियलाइजेशन होने के बाद भी वो गलतियों को हम भूल नहीं पाते हैं। लाइक अभी हमें वो रियलाइजेशन हुआ है बट उसको हम भूल नहीं पाते, मतलब बार बार वो एक्सेप्ट भी नहीं कर पाते कि हाँ हमने वो गलती की है और हम उसे भूल जाए. तो हाउ कैन वी ओवरकम विद इट सर?
Yeah, it's a very good question. You're a big hand on that. See, first thing, understand we are all humans. We will make a mistake. Who's the famous tennis player? Roger Federer. Roger Federer was addressing, he had won the maximum amount of test matches, tennis there, but if he sees 55 servings, he has failed. You are known for the greatest kind of striking things. 55 % has failed. So the question is, we are human, alright? We will make mistakes. But the question is, we have to learn from the mistake and go forward. Now, you can't forget. Why should you forget? Why should you forget a mistake? Our problem is we are forgetting. We have forgotten the First World War, therefore the Second World War. Forgotten the Second World War, we are going to. Don't forget. But in Sanskrit we say, Dagda Bijavat. A seed is there. When burned, it is not going to sprout again. Our memories, we have to learn, remember them, but don't be a victim to them. And how to be a victim is where meditation you have to learn. Karna, such a noble person, Karna, throughout his life he repented. Why he told Draupadi to sit on the lap of Duryodhana. Afterwards he tells to Lord Krishna, why did I make such a statement to sit on the lap? Right? By repenting will not. But what he has to practice is meditation. And in meditation we teach how to de-memorize oneself. How to de-memorize. That's why do the course. I cannot tell you. De-memorize. All of you are taking bath. All of you take bath, no? When you take your bath, you are thinking of the breakfast. You meet the breakfast, you think of the boss. When you meet the boss, you think of your wife. You meet the wife, you think of your mother-in-law. Your mind is always, as Sant Kabir says, Chalti chakki dekhi ke diya kabira roi. So if on meditation what you have to do is, I am taking a bath, I have to de-memorize, be total in taking a bath. I am talking, I have to be total in taking. When you know how to de-memorize and be in the Vartaman, be in the present, then please understand, I think of the mistake. I think of the mistake, but the mistake is like a seed, dagda bijavat. It is already burned. A seed is burnt, it cannot sprout. So first you are human, everybody will make a mistake. Right? Don't be a victim of the mistake. Do meditation, and you do meditation, you will teach yourself how to be in the present, not caught in the memory. Think most of us, 96% of our thoughts is all pat chal raha hai. 96% of thought. Alright? So why? Because it is ye chalti chakki dekhi ke Kabir says. That is where meditation is the solution. And meditation I cannot teach you right now. Meditation tells be in the present. And if you are in the present, a magic will happen. Are you getting this? That's why Vajpayee ji says and end up, and I will run it now. Vajpayee ji says very beautifully, our expressor, Bari dupari mein andiyara, suraj parichayi se hara, antartam ka neha nichode, बुझी हुई बाती सुलगाए, आओ फिर से दिया जलाए, आओ फिर से दिया जलाए. नहीं तो ये kind of पागलपन बड़ी दुपहरी में अंधियारा, सूरज मीन्स आफ्ताब कुर्शित परिचाई से हारा. So इसलिए अंतरतम का नेह निचोड़े, और स्नेहा means bring that love to be in the present, because life is a moment of the present. If you are in the present, don't allow the soliloquy of your mind. That is meditation. Right? In that meditation alone, you can be not a victim of mistake, but mistakes everybody will make. Learn and grow from your mistake. Right? Thank you very much. Please do the course. It will really help you. I'm just giving out of it because this mind, be careful. It's going to be how many people are in depression. Doctor will say better. I was addressing a NIMHANS at one of the biggest hospitals in Bangalore to a group of psychiatrists. They were saying about if I'm not mistaken, 6 to 10 out of people are mental disorder. Nearly 6 out of 10. Alright, mental disorder. Different levels of mental disorder are there. Alright, somebody diagnoses you, oh, depression. Alright, diagnose you, why you have to be depression? One door closes, another door will come, open. See, this is an attitude you have to develop. And if your conditioning is too strong, you will not see it. Thank you very much, and I think I'm going to rush.
Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much.
As we conclude this beautiful to our true essence, to the divine presence within us, and to us today, we are truly blessed. And also like to thank Ms. Shakila ma'am for your presence in midst of us. I would like to say a special thanks to Mr. Rajesh Sharma ji, Devrat Sharma ji, and Pandita and Baba for arranging wonderful lunch and menu for us today. And to all of you here, opening your hearts and for choosing to invest in your spiritual lives with it. Thank you once again for being a part of this divine gathering. Have a blessed and peaceful day ahead. Thank you.